Yeah. And then, of course, dito separate parking pa siya. So you have to buy it separately. Yeah. Yeah. So for Alveo naman, we have more units here compared with Parklinks North and South. For Tower 1, we have 530 units, and there's more units to a floor. So the maximum number is 12 units to a floor. For Parklinks North, it's only 8 units to a floor. That's the maximum. For Parklinks South, it's 9 units to a floor. And not all unit has balcony. Compared with Parklinks North and South, all unit comes with balcony for Parklinks North and South. And of course, this one, as I've mentioned, similar siya sa Verb and Meridian. There's going to be shops and restaurants at the ground level here. So, and it's overlooking the Eco Center Garden, Eco Center Park. So, we added more amenities here. So, we're going to have na hangout hub, social hall, and of course, mga gym. And it's overlooking the park. So, there's most of, yeah. Oo, parang garden bridge actually ng One Serendra. Yeah. And of course, we added more pools because hyper-amenitize yung mga competitors eh.
Oo nga.
Sobrang dami nilang amenities. But of course, we don't wanna, kasi the more amenities you have, the more expensive the association dues. So we don't wanna constrain them kasi not everyone will be able to use all the amenities, di ba? Parang sayang naman kung magdadagdag tayo dyan ng mga cinema, ng mga spa, and then sobrang mahal. So not all unit owners naman are into that. So mas mabuti they go out na lang and they can enjoy. Yeah.
Price per square, sir?
I think nag-price increase na rin siya. So I guess medyo mas mababa lang siya ng konti, around mga 380.
Yeah, 400.
Yeah, around 490 ata now kasi nag-price increase na. So baka mga 390 na siya. Oo. Yung sa 400. Oo. Mga ganun na siya. Yeah.
BGC rin.
Oo. Kasi pero yung BGC daw kasi, based on their study, aabot siya ng 1 million per square meters. Yeah.
Basta makomplete yung
Oo.
But this one, well,
Yeah.
Sure. If parang competitive yung pricing nitong dalawa and that seems more like the premium project, why would they choose this over that?
This one naman kasi we're offering here studio units.
So
Mas, and then smaller cut. So it's much more affordable compared with Parklands North and South. So just in case we have clients na they find it too big, too expensive, they can opt to get lattice.
same thing, turnover, sir.
Yeah.
2,000.
Yeah. For next year na siya, yung Tower 1, around first and second quarter for the low floor.
Okay.